When we think of aging, we usually look in the mirror for wrinkles or gray hair. But what you can't see is that your internal organs are aging just as fast. Your liver is graying, you're waking up exhausted, and microplastics are actively accumulating inside your brain. Top athletes and high-performing entrepreneurs don't accept this biological decline. They use a science-backed protocol called biohacking to halt this internal decay and give themselves a massive physical advantage. Today, we are mapping out an exact 24-hour routine you can start right now. We will clear out the hidden toxins in your kitchen, rebuild your gut microbiome, pinpoint exact supplement dosages, and engineer perfect sleep architecture. The end goal is simple. We are optimizing your entire system to unlock peak biological performance, leaving you with relentless, clean energy throughout the day. Step 1 begins in the kitchen. Over the last few decades, the way we store and consume food has created a daily stream of toxic exposure, primarily through microplastics. The 4 biggest offenders you interact with every day are plastic water bottles, artificially flavored yogurts, the synthetic mesh of tea bags, and aluminum cans. These microscopic particles are small enough to cross your blood-brain barrier and even the placenta. Once inside, they directly interfere with your hormonal health and trigger constant inflammation. The fix is immediate. Swap plastic water bottles for glass, transition to loose-leaf tea, and store leftovers in glass containers. Eliminating these daily micro-exposures stops the continuous assault on your system. Your liver can stop fighting new toxins and finally focus on cleaning out the old ones. Next, we have to fix the gut-brain axis. Your gut produces 90% of your body's serotonin, the neurotransmitter responsible for your motivation, mood, and sleep quality. Many people try to fix this by eating commercial yogurt or taking generic probiotic pills. But introducing the wrong live bacteria into your unique microbiome can actually cause severe bloating and unwanted weight gain. Instead, build your gut bacteria naturally with fermented vegetables. Take cabbage or cucumber, chop it up, massage it with salt until the water releases, and seal it tightly in a jar to create an oxygen-free environment. Let it ferment, and you have the perfect gut-healing food. This chart shows how meals impact your blood sugar. Eating plain carbohydrates, like a massive plate of poha, sends that red line spiking. You must balance them heavily with fats and proteins to smooth out the curve and keep your energy stable. You can also hack your carbs by cooling your cooked starches, like rice or potatoes, before eating them. This process creates resistant starch, a powerful prebiotic fiber that feeds the good bacteria already living in your gut. A personalized, thriving gut microbiome acts as your biological engine. It dictates your daily energy, stabilizes your hormones, and builds your immune resilience. Even with a perfect diet, modern soil is depleted of nutrients, so we need supplements. But standard multivitamins use cheap precursor ingredients that your body struggles to convert and absorb. You need direct, bioavailable forms. Start with a direct 5,000 IU dose of vitamin D3, but you must pair it with a full-spectrum vitamin K2, specifically the MK4 and MK7 forms. Vitamin K2 is vital because it pulls calcified plaque out of your arteries and pushes it into your bones where it belongs. This matters because autopsies of World War II soldiers showed that arterial plaque and calcification can start building up when you're only 17 or 18. To complete your baseline stack, add 1 to 2 grams of direct EPA and DHA omega-3s. Next, use a chewable or injectable form of vitamin B12 for maximum absorption. Finally, take magnesium bisglycinate at night to relax your arteries and lower your body temperature. Targeted, direct-form supplementation is a strict requirement to fill the nutritional voids caused by our modern environment and high-stress lifestyles. Your final step happens at night. Sleep is an active biological phase where your body clears out cellular waste and neutralizes the reactive oxygen species generated during the day. To optimize this process, stop eating 3 hours before bed. Then take a 15-minute walk after your final meal to stabilize your blood sugar and prevent midnight energy crashes. Next, control your light exposure. Remove the TV from your bedroom, switch your house lights to orange after 7:30 p.m., and use red light right before bed to signal your brain to start producing melatonin. Finally, drop your room temperature. Gradually lower your AC from 23 degrees down to 20 degrees or colder. This induces deep sleep and activates your brown fat, which burns energy to keep you warm. By mastering your sleep architecture, you create perfect sleep efficiency. Your body fully repairs itself in fewer hours, and you wake up energized without ever needing an alarm. Overhauling your diet, lighting, and supplement routine all in a single day is a guaranteed recipe for burnout and failure. The core philosophy of biohacking is the aggregation of marginal gains. You build a bulletproof routine by stacking one small, manageable habit on top of another. Pick just one micro-action today. Buy a single glass water bottle, massage some cabbage in a jar, or change one light bulb to orange. True biological age reversal is the cumulative result of intentional daily choices. Start with one small step and give yourself a physical advantage in life.